How you doing, guys? Welcome back to my home, Mi Casa es Tu Casa. Today I'm here with my daughter,
Hi.
Nayeli, and my daughter-in-law,
Rosa.
and baby JJ.
Say hi.
Sorry, we can't avoid that, so if you hear noises, please excuse. But today we are having a battle of the peel-off mask. So I have a Maskology from, and this is all-in-one, spatula included, charcoal modeling pillow mask. It's purifying, pore control, calming, and hydrating, and it looks like this. And then it gives you the instructions in the back because you have to mix it with water. And what yours says?
I have the Azure Lux 24 Karat Gold Sparkling Peel-Off Mask, Luxury Farming Treatment, and this one looks like this.
And yours?
I have the original Korean beauty mask. Detoxifying peel-off mask treatment. And this is how it looks like.
Okay, so I am going to be right back and I am going to set mine up and then we're going to start this process. Hold on. Okay, guys, so no, I didn't do it wrong because it had to be the whole package and 2 cups of water to it. But I am not going to use the whole mask, so I pour a little bit and put a little bit of water, and this is how it looks. So let's see how it works. And
I'm just gonna, mine is basically black.
we are just going to go do this right here.
Right now.
Right now. Let's see. Oh my God.
Uh-oh.
No, I almost got it on my face. I mean, on my face, on my eye. Hello, it's in my face.
Oh my god, this is so fluid.
I put cold water. It's cool my whooping hair. I look like Georgia the Clown. You know what I'm saying? But I got it all over my head. We should make this instead of a video like what's my call it? A vlog kind of thing. Yeah. How grandma looking?
How grandma look?
You're
You're on camera.
You in camera. I look awful. Look at Jojo.
Mommy, that's crazy. I'm doing mine.
Nah, like on my street.
24 Karat Gold face.
Come on, let's throw her in the corner. We gotta get some money.
Look at my nose.
You can't go out, Rosa. They'll steal you, baby. You.
Yeah, they will.
You look awful.
Oh, damn.
So I'm just gonna say that it feels really cold, of course, because I use cold water.
No, yeah, look at her. She looks like shit.
Yo, this is a total fail, yo.
I think I got some in my mouth.
How does it taste?
Be honest, this show is all about honesty.
Right? Oh, a little sticky.
I feel like this mask is too see-through. It should be darker, like this.
And this one's just a little too sticky.
And this one, no matter what I do, well, I probably doing it wrong. Who cares?
Yeah.
What happened? You want some too? I put some on you. You want some?
I think I'm
You want
good.
some? I think we're done.
I'm not done. It's difficult.
Mine is real sticky.
Yeah, I even got my hair on
Not
this
really.
thing. You want some? Come here, Jojo.
Yeah, Jojo.
Come here, say hi. I'm not gonna put some on you, but come here. Say hi to the people. Come here.
Say hi.
Say hi. Come on.
Make sure you put the bowl down.
Come here. Come here, say hi. Come here. So you can come out in the video. Come on.
You're my son.
Alright, so how many minutes? Mine said I have to wait 10 minutes. What's yours say?
Mine says for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
And she can see her. So that's 30, that's 20, that's 50, that's 60. We'll be back in an hour. Count.
Bye.
Okay, guys, so after, let me fix you guys for a moment. Let me see, let me see, let me see. As you can see, mine's still not dry, but you know, for the purpose of this video, we're gonna continue. But we waited like an hour, and obviously I did something wrong. So this is how mine's end up looking. That's how she look. And of course, the baby wanted some. Say hi, JoJo. Say hi. Over there, say hi. Cheese. Okay, that works. So we're gonna start peeling it off. And mine's peeling off kind of like clay. Like paper. It feels kind of like paper at the same time. Pull it, JJ, pull it. Pull it up, pull it.
Holy smoke, this hurts.
It hurts. Mine feels like when you do mine feels like when you know when you do the clay projects at school with the flour and stuff and the newspaper. That's what it feels like.
Paper machete.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. I mean, it feels like.
Oh.
Recommendation: don't put it on your eyebrows.
Oh my god.
Oh. You hear it?
I didn't know it.
Yeah, yours. It feels like plastic paper. Yours,
I got my eyes watering.
Yeah, it looks like paper. Look. Can't even peel it off because it falls apart. Okay, this is a. Did you guys agree? To me, this is a total fail because of course you have to put 2 cups of water in the whole bag and then leave it 15 to 20 minutes, and then after you take all this out, it says that remove with a cotton ball the residue, and then continue on your business because it doesn't need to be rinsed out. But
I've actually tried a peel off face mask.
oh my god, don't put it in the eyebrows either.
This is the first time that I've got a little reaction out of it. I have little red spots. My acne has risen from the dead. Apparently, I had acne. Maybe let me go closer.
No, I can't see.
You probably can't see
Oh
it.
my god, this is
No.
total fail.
This is hurt.
That was never there.
Yo, I got it.
I just
Hashtag do not play face masks on your hair. Thank you.
You put mad in it too.
Yeah, come flip.
Peel off yours.
Peel it on, JoJo.
Holy smoke. What's my skin on? It hurts.
Yo, keep crying.
It hurts. I can't pull this piece off.
Pull it really hard.
No.
Fast, fast.
Freaking crying, like seriously.
This shit hurts. Excuse my language, guys, but.
Yo, guys, she really trying. Like, can you imagine her trying that black one, the one that everybody was showing that they couldn't pull out? Oh my god. Okay.
This one's actually hurt, and my face is super red. Like I understand that it peels off. You're obviously gonna have probably a little reaction.
When I peel off my hair off my face.
But I've tried peel off masks before, and it's just redder than usual.
My mask costed $2.50 at Walmart.
Mine's cost like $6 on Marshalls. Get those deals.
Yeah, same here.
Oh my goodness.
I think I done wax my eyebrows off too.
Trust me, mine was a total fail. So please, I'm just gonna say follow the instructions to the mask.
Never thought mine was so painful.
And
Look at all that.
oh my god, look at this.
She looks like she's shedding.
I'm melting. I'm melting.
She didn't lie.
You dropped the rest of the peel off mask. You dropped the rest of it on the side.
Alright, guys, look. That's my mask.
Oh my.
Follow it to the max. Oh my god, my hand.
Abby, shut up.
What's your max?
Oh no. Oh. This is no good.
Well, it apparently is good, but for her. But how your skin feels?
Oh.
Dry, soft.
Naked. It ripped off all my hair. It done ripped off all my hair.
I feel dry and.
Me
not
too.
nice.
I feel like the parts, you know, it can feel soft and dry at the same
Mine's
time.
just
Yeah,
feel
mine's
dry
too.
enough. Mine's feel dry enough. This isn't
So
good.
I do recommend, even though it says for mine that you take it up and you keep on walking and take the residue out to like put, I don't know, something in your face.
I don't know.
But guys,
Ashy.
listen,
You look ashy.
that Friday feeling.
Oh my god, you know what you look like you did? You look like you just finished cutting cheek grass. Like
There you go. If you ever did drywall and you cutting them and sand them out, that's how I look. I just drywall my face. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching and stopping by. Obviously,
Oh,
we're
yes,
gonna make
I'm
this
over
short. So
Did yours hurt? Anything more?
she was crying lately. Come on back into the video. Alright, so guys, thank you for stopping by. And remember, mi casa es tu casa. And like always, I thank you for your love and support. And I see you in my next crazy video. Bye.